Everybody is chasing the same YouTube niches, but in 2025, the real money is hiding where no one is looking. So in this video, I'm going to review the most profitable niches in low competition that you can start in this 2025 that can also get you monetized really fast. Here is the secret: not all views are worth the same. Some niches attract advertisers that pay more for their ads, and those same niches open door for other ways that you can monetize your channel. For example, according to data, gaming has low CPM. It has $1 to $4 CPM, but finance has high CPM, up to $20 per CPM. You can see the difference. So before choosing a niche, you just have to check all these things. But in this video, don't worry, I'm going to give you the niches that you can go into that has low competition in this 2025. Without further ado, let's just dive right into the video. The first niche you can go into is personal finance for beginners. You can focus on saving, budgeting, investing for Gen Zs, like for beginners. You know what is trending at this point in time. You can go into it, but specifically for the trend, for the Gen Zs that don't know much about investing and budgeting and all of that. So I will tell you why this is a low competition niche. I didn't say finance is a low competition. I said finance for beginners. The reason why the niche is a low competition niche is that most people aim at older people. Most finance niches aim at older people, aim at people that already knows about investing and all those stuff. When you start your own and term it for beginners, people will like to watch. Like, it has low competition. Not much people are doing finance for beginners, but for the main finance, a lot of people are into the niche. Monetization potential, the pay is very high, the CPM is very high, like I mentioned earlier. Any video about finance, the CPM is very high, and you can also get affiliates from investing companies and all of that. And also you can also get sponsorship and all of that doing that niche. You have to start right now if it's something that you can do. Let me just give you one video example before I move on to the next. You can do a video like how I saved $1,000 in 30 days. Do that kind of video, and people that want to start saving will watch that kind of video and follow you through how you saved yours for 30 days. That is an example of a video you can do under this niche. The next niche you can go into is teaching about productivity tools. People want to be productive, but they don't know how. Some people just wake up and they feel lazy all day. Teaching about productivity is a niche that people like. It's something that people need, but not a lot of people are talking about it. Let's say you can talk about how to use CapCut to save your time while editing, how to use Canva, how to use ChatGPT. Very important. A lot of people know about ChatGPT now, but you can also teach how to use ChatGPT to make your day productive, how to use it to plan your videos very effectively and all of that. Like, all those things, people need it, because you can wake up and your head will be full. You don't even know where to start from. But with this kind of niche, people can learn a lot from you. Notion AI, automation tools, all of that. You can just start up. You don't even need to know much about all these things before you start. You can start doing your research. With research, you can do anything. Like, you can go into any niche with research once you want to start it. So you can just do your research and start this particular niche I just talked about. It's a low competition because new tools are launching almost every month or every time. People are launching new tools that will make our life easier all the time. When you go into this niche, any new tool that comes out, you'll be the first to tell us about it and tell us the functions and everything. And when you go into this niche, when people bring out new tools, they will come to you to talk to people about the new tool that came out. And that is also a way that you can make money, because it's like an advert, that a sponsored advert that they can place on your video. You can talk to people about their tool and all of that. The monetization aspect is also secured. You can start this niche today. It's very low competition because new tools are coming out all the time. It's not we didn't know about ChatGPT before, and then it came out. Then other AI tools are coming out all the time. I've already thought about 2 or 3 AI tools that you can use to make your shorts very interesting and all of that on this channel. New tools are coming out all the time. You can go into this niche, and trust me, you grow with this niche. You can even do online courses on. If this is something you can do, just go into. Let's move over to the next: digital skills and side hustles. You can start teaching about freelancing, copywriting, video editing, remote work. Like, you can just go into this niche and teach us how to make extra income. And if you want it to be a low competition niche, because digital skill as a a general, does not have a low competition. But if you want it to be a low competition, that means you have to go into a specific skill, because everybody that's teaching about this digital skill is teaching it in a generic form. You can go into a specific digital skill and teach us how to do it. Let's say you want to talk about freelancing, go into it deeper and teach us how to freelance, the different types of freelancing and all of that. If you want to go into video editing, you can go into it deeper and teach us everything about video editing, any app that can make video editing very easy for us and all of that. And for monetization, you can monetize your channel by receiving Google AdSense pay, and you can also build courses, because when you're teaching this type of thing, people want to make money, people want to have something doing, so they would like to learn on a deeper level from you. You can also start selling courses online, maybe write an ebook about it and sell it online, or you can also organize a class and ask people that if they're interested, they can pay. You can ship it in your video and people will pay, people that are willing to learn from you if you are giving value. Once you are giving value, people will be willing to learn from you on a deeper level. You can make money from all this. For example, you can make a video about how I made $300 from video editing this week. Like something like that. You just have to do your research. There are lots of topics under this niche. You just do your research and start. The next niche that has low competition that you can go into is health for busy people. Not a lot of people talk about this, but it's very important, because some people are too busy that they don't even remember to take care of themselves. Not that they cannot, they don't even remember it, just because they are very busy, their schedule is very busy and all of that. You can start up this niche. People are looking for it. You can do things like meal plan for a busy person, healthy meal plan for a 9 to 5. You can start that kind of niche, like the kind of meal that they can eat that will make them to be energized for the whole day, and the kind of meal that they can eat to repair everything that went up their body when they were busy and all of that. People are looking for this, but it's not saturated yet. Not a lot of people teach about this thing that I just mentioned now. We can go into it. Another example is fitness for office workers, stress management, like all these things. It's not saturated yet, and you make lots of money from this. Monetization potentials for this niche is a lot. You can get affiliate products, let's say fitness gears. You can get supplement products, like things related to what you are teaching about. You can also get sponsorships, ads, and you can write ebooks regarding this thing, and people that are interested will buy from you. One video example for this niche is 10 minutes workouts for a busy mom. Just do your research and start. All these niches are very profitable and has the next niche you can go into is smart tech and gadgets. Not just the normal tech and gadgets that we see every day. Everybody reviews iPhone, everybody reviews Samsung and all of that. You can go into it in a different way. You can focus on affordable techs, phones that are cheaper that are still serving the purpose, or laptops that are cheaper that are still serving the purpose. Anything gadget that is affordable for people that don't have that huge money to start buying iPhone and Samsung and all of that. You can start up a niche for them, reviewing products that are very affordable that can still serve the purpose of why they need the gadget. You can start reviewing budget-friendly gadgets and all of that. People will love to watch, because not everybody has the money to purchase all those expensive gadgets. You can start your own with reviewing affordable gadgets. Why is the low competition? You already know from what I said. Everyone is doing big gadgets. I don't know how to put it, but everybody's reviewing iPhone, everybody's reviewing Apple laptop, everybody's just reviewing the ones that are trendy, that are very expensive, but nobody cares about people that don't have money for all those things. And for monetization on this niche, Google AdSense, that's number one when you get monetized on YouTube. And then you can also post Amazon affiliate links for the products you are reviewing. For people that wants to get it, they can use your link and you make money. And you can also get sponsorship from companies that are producing affordable gadgets. One video idea under this niche is best gadgets under $30 on Amazon. In all these niches that I just mentioned now, how to find the right one for you. First of all, you check what you have passion for. If you don't have passion for it, you cannot do it for the long term, and you need to be consistent in order to make money. And then you need to check the demand, if people are actually searching for it. And the next thing you will check is the monetization aspect. Is it monetizable? Can you get sponsored ads and all of that from that niche? That is another thing you need to check, because most of us are here for the money and you need the money. That is another thing to keep in mind. The next one is the competition, and I already told you that these niches that I mentioned has low competition. You can just pick one when, if you have passion for it, just pick one and start creating immediately. Don't just come on YouTube to chase saturated niches that a lot of people are already creating, except you have unique angles or you have unique way that you can make your own very different. Now I want to hear from you, which of these niches can you go into? Which one excites you the most? Please let me know down in the comment section. Don't just start a channel in this 2025, you need to start a profitable one. That is it for this video today. I hope you got something from this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification beside it so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Don't also forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have not given it a thumbs up, please do now. Give it a thumbs up and drop a comment for me down in the comment section. And if you have any question about YouTube and all, please drop it for me down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.